Today I'm going to quickly show you how to stop certain apps from opening when you first turn on your computer, so let's get into it. So literally all you have to do, this will work for Windows 10 or Windows 11, you're just going to press these three buttons on your keyboard, which is Control, Alt, and Delete. When you do that, these options will appear. You're going to select Task Manager. When you first open Task Manager, it might look like this. If it does, click More Details right here, and it should look like this. From here, there's going to be a tab called Startup. If you click that, you'll see all the apps that attempt to open when you first turn on your computer. I purposefully have some of these enabled because I do want them to open. But if you see anything here that you don't want, you're just going to right click on one of them and click disable. And you'll be able to tell which ones are turned on and off right here under status. It'll say enabled or disabled. So just go through here, disable the ones that are annoying you the most and slowing you down the most, and you'll be good to go. That's it for this quick video. Subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials.